Let's say we have the one-to-one function f of x equals x plus 1, where the domain includes the elements 16, 33, and 47, and the range has the elements 17, 34, and 48. How can we find the inverse function of f of x? To find the inverse function of f of x, we interchange the elements in the domain with the elements in the range. So the elements 16, 33, and 47 from the domain are going to be the elements of the range. And the elements from the range 17, 34, and 48 are going to be the elements of the domain. Pretty simple, right? The inverse function is denoted by f inverse of x. By the way, be careful. This is not the same as 1 over f of x. In other words, f inverse of x is not the reciprocal of f of x, but is rather the notation for the inverse of a one-to-one function. Now, what is our inverse function doing? It subtracts 1 from each input, is that correct? 17 becomes 16 because 17 minus 1 is 16. "34 becomes 33 because 34 minus 1 is 33. And 48 becomes 47 because 48 minus 1 is 47. So we can write f inverse of x equals x minus 1. Note that the functions f of x and f inverse of x have the effect of, let's say, undoing each other. In this example, the function f adds 1 to each element of the domain, and the inverse function f inverse subtracts 1 of each element of the domain. Note that the function has an inverse function if and only if f is a one-to-one function. In the next video, we are going to find the inverse of a function algebraically. If you like my videos, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning, everyone.